Hiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
The law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. Now you're hiding this scoundrel, this fugitive.
I think my main question po sa inyo, no, dahil napag-usapan itong about sa jurisdiction ng ICC, do you think that the issue of the Dutertes against the jurisdiction of ICC was really an intention about the jurisdiction per se ng ICC sa Pilipinas o yung resistance ng Duterte administration sa international oversight ng ICC noong panahon ng drug war?
Okay, how would I start? Kasi diyan nagkamali si Duterte.
Mm.
Diyan siya nagkamali talaga. He thought na if he will withdraw yung membership ng ICC, Philippines would withdraw. He thought yung jurisdiction, whatever it is, once he withdrew from the ICC, hindi makialam ang ICC sa Philippines. Diyan siya nagkamali. And I do not know why Peter Cayetano and Teddy Boy Locsin didn't even inform him na maski na mag-withdraw ka sa ICC, they will still get your head if preliminary examination prior to your withdrawal from ICC started. Kahit sabihin nila the full-blown examination happened after we withdrew from ICC. No, of course not. It started 2011, 2012.
Yes.
That's why I do. And also, of course, lawyer yan. May treaty tayo dyan, di ba? Tapos nakalagay pa dun sa treaty, and that treaty he was not even the president at the time. It was Gloria Macapagal Arroyo na nakalagay doon sa Rome Statute. You know, ICC still has, yung meron pa siyang, kahit lumabas na tayo dyan sa ICC, pa siyang karapatan, no? Mag-investigate with regards to crime against humanity, genocide, and yung isa. These are big crimes. These are not just crimes na murder, frustrated murder. These are high-end crimes. Okay? Sabi na nga nung isang abogado na, okay, gusto niyong sa Pilipinas yung kanyang kaso, hindi naman sa pag-ano ng mga lawyers, ma-experience ba itong mga lawyers natin to handle high-end crimes? Wala. Tapos, would you think kung may decision na favorable kay Duterte, hindi mag-alma yun? Would you think pag paboran naman itong mga victims, hindi rin mag-aalma yung mga... Of course not. So, ICC talaga is the best and appropriate court na dapat will conduct the hearing of this crime against humanity. So, kahit na anong sabihin nila, kine-question nila yung jurisdiction. Yes. Ang sabi nga ng the confirmation of charges, before confirmation of charges, they have to really, and they have to check all angles if they have jurisdiction over the case. Yun eh. If they found out that, wala pa we don't have jurisdiction. We have to, we have to release this Rodrigo Duterte. But no. So it's obvious. Now, when they check everything, every angle, they have jurisdiction over the case. That's why they had Rodrigo Duterte there.
Correct.